Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. The video is finally here, child. It's been quite a year so far, but here I am. I'm gonna show you what baby Lily ate this week or today, the day I recorded this. But I usually make her fresh juice in the morning, and even though it's fresh juice, I still dilute it a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. Because I don't give her sugar at all, like at all. I give her no sugar. So, and plus, she's still fairly young. She's only 10 months. And so I dilute it a little bit. And that's her juice. And this is my little angel pumpkin. Y'all already saw this little preview in the previous video. But, I had to attach it because it was a full day of eating. And so that's pretty much what I did. I also give her that with her probiotic. Every single morning she gets probiotic as well. But, you guys, I'm not going to advertise anything on this channel because you know how that goes. So next, while she's enjoying her Miss Rachel and her show, I decided to make her some oatmeal. I usually make it in enough batch that would last like 2 to 3 days. I don't give her anything that lasts more than 3 days, if that. Especially if she don't get through it. There's times where she'll want oatmeal like a couple times a day and it doesn't last. But and that's fine with me. But after like 3 days, I don't give her anything after 3 days. And so I just added to the oats, water to the oats, so it could cook down and get nice and soft. I don't bother blending it because this brand of oatmeal cooks down pretty soft. You just need to add like, a good amount of water and just let it do its thing on the stove, and it's good to go. By the way, excuse my voice. I've been very sick for the last 2 weeks. And y'all, I don't even know how I kept Big Peanut nice and healthy the way I was sick. Like, I wore the mask throughout the house, but I don't know how. And it's just by the grace of God. Like, for real, like, no lie. I was really, really sick, you guys. But we're good now. I'm still a little hoarse. My voice is a little crazy, but it's all good. I'm going to try to get these videos rolling out for you guys. So this is how it looks once it cooks down. Then I add a little coconut milk for flavor, body, and just, to thicken it up a bit. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to use maple syrup to sweeten this up. Just a drop. Like I said, I don't give her sugar like that. But, that little bit of drop definitely didn't do nothing. And some cinnamon. And then I'm just going to mix it up and portion it out as well as give it to her. And that's it. Like, it's easy, simple. It's actually good. I like it this way as well. But I add almond flavoring to mine. I don't do that here because it's artificial, child. I don't know what's in it. So I don't use that here. So pretty much I just portion it out like this. And then I also give her some as well for breakfast. And that's pretty much it. This video is also me just showing you, what she eats in a day or how I meal prep for her in a day, and it's been going okay so far. I'm still trying to get a hang of it, but it's not bad. So I'm gonna vent them so they could cool before I put them in the refrigerator. So that day, it was about 75 degrees. I still decided to take her outside, 70 or 75, one of the two. This was her first time, you guys. I wanted to share it with y'all. Y'all know I'm be sharing everything. Of her first time in the swing. Don't get used to it because I ain't doing it no more. But I had to share it with y'all because y'all my people. But yeah, this was her first time in the swing. When we got back, I fed her some grapes. It's one of her favorite snacks. She will eat a whole bunch of grapes, you guys. And she tear them up every single time. And that's pretty much what I give her for snacks, as well as these, what are they called? Something bellies. I think I have it in this video. Do I have it in this? Yeah, I do. Here it is. This is what I give her because she loves them so much. And yeah, that's pretty much like her main snacks. Okay, so while she's down for a nap, I'm gonna make dinner, which is a broccoli cheddar rice. I'm gonna cook it really soft for her. I just want to reiterate to the Karens and Kens that are always on my page. Of course, my daughter is getting her vitamin water. That's what I call it, her milk, her formula, in between all of this. So you're probably looking like, dang, that's all she get? No, obviously she's getting bottles in between all of this. So, but I'm definitely not gonna post my daughter drinking out of her bottle. I'm not a fan of that. So, to my washed rice, I added some broccoli, some washed broccoli as well. Raw broccoli is not cooked at all, right on top of the rice, and then I'm gonna cover it with the chicken stock, and just like I'm doing here, and I'm just gonna let this cook down all the way. I don't really use that much seasoning. I do use a little butter, some good butter, and I cover it and let it cook. Now this dish right here is one of those dishes that she tear up. She'll tear this broccoli cheddar rice up every single time, you guys. And it's really good. It's really good. I use bone broth. That's what I meant to say. It wasn't chicken stock. Well, same thing, but this is bone broth. You know, have more protein in it, more nutrients, and more, flavor. Because like I said, I don't put a ton of seasoning or salt in her food as well. So, I feel like it's just too early. When she gets a little older, then I'll start, amping it up. But once it's cooked, as you can see, the broccoli completely just breaks apart all up in the rice. Like you see right here, just breaks all apart. And then I just, keep smushing it until the broccoli breaks down. And then I add the cheese. And that's it. It's easy, simple. It's not hard to make at all. And it's just delicious. But if you want to make it for yourself, just add some salt and you're good to go. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. I'm hoping to have more content of baby Lily soon. But if not, you already know, follow me on social media. I post there all the time, when we're out having fun. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.